This is a short guide explaining how to use the left-hand side navigation panel on the new GymFit website. Next to each category, in some cases you will find a small arrow. That tells us there are subcategories within that category. So for example, if we were to look at parts by manufacturer, you'll notice there is an arrow to the right-hand side. That tells us there are drop-down options relating to that category. Let's click that now. As you can see, that's then opened up all the manufacturers' names within parts by manufacturer. They all load in alphabetical order underneath the category. Where you see another drop-down arrow next to another category, for example, Concept 2 spare parts or Cybex parts, all kinds of parts, that tells us there are further categories within that one. For example, Concept spare parts, there are different models within Concept. So likely then when we click the arrow we'll see all the models within Concept. And there they are. From here we can click on whatever model we wish to view the spares, which will appear on the right hand side as you see now. Once you've finished looking at the parts or you want to move on to another section of the website, you can click the arrow next to Concept spare parts where you opened the models. Click it again and they'll disappear. If you're finished looking at parts by manufacturer completely, if you were to click the arrow next to parts by manufacturer, again all those options collapse. The purpose of the left hand side panel is to minimize and maximize the options on the left hand side, allowing you to view everything on the right hand side. For example, indoor cycle parts, let's click that. And that tells us what options we have within indoor cycle parts. As you can see, indoor cycle parts, all makes, we've got options there. Click that. And that lists all the makes of indoor cycle parts GymFit supply. If we were to click to the right hand side of Star Trek Indoor Cycle, that will tell us all the models of Star Trek Indoor Cycle parts we supply. Again, if you were to click on any of those, the parts will appear on the right hand side. Once we're finished looking at Star Trek parts, for example, we can click on the button to the right hand side of the Star Trek Indoor Cycle section. That minimises that. And if we're happy that we've seen all the indoor cycle parts, the orange highlighted indoor cycle parts section, if we were to click to the right hand side of that, that minimises that as well. And then indoor cycle parts is minimised again. At any point in time, if we've opened up a category and we don't wish to carry on with that category, click the top left hand side GymFit logo, which appears all over the website. It takes you back to the home screen and where you started from.